about to make some braces for a new acoustic build that I'm making. I've got a piece of spruce bracewood from Guitar Templates. I'll be cutting this into 10mm wide strips, and what I'll need to do then is to shape the glue down edge to match the radius I want, which happens to be 5 meter radius. So what I've done is made this handy little jig, which has got this top surface has got the 5 meter convex curvature on it. It's got a little ledge here that I can sit my brace wood on, my blank, and then I can route it to a perfect 5 meter radius. And then on the other side of it, there's a 5 meter concave surface with some sandpaper on it, and that I can use to absolutely fine tune the curvature on the glue down side of the brace to be spot on 5 meters. Pretty simple, just a couple of bits of scrap plywood I had lying around, some self-adhesive sandpaper and a little bit of glue. But what you really need is this template from Guitar Templates. This is their Large Radius template. This is the 5 meter version, 5 meter radius version. It's got some nice horizontal lines on it, and very helpfully it has a 5 meter convex curve on the top edge and a 5 meter concave curvature on the bottom edge. And so with this and a few scraps of plywood, I've been able to make this very, very handy jig. Let me show you how I did it. Okay, so now I have a perfectly shaped back brace. Got a 5 meter curvature on the glue down side, so it'll get glued down this way, and it's perfectly square all along its length, so it's ready to go. What I didn't mention in the intro was the need to make sure that the brace blank, when you put it in my little jig, is not going to move around. So two things. There's a strip of adhesive back sandpaper glued onto this surface, which just helps to grip the brace blank. And I've also added these two little toggle clamps, which just hold the blank in there quite firmly while it's being run across the router table. So simple, but I think really important modifications to make sure that you can keep your fingers out of the way. So there you have it, the 5 meter long radius template from Guitar Templates. They have them in other radii, 8 meters, 3 meters, 10 meters, some of those funny old feet things as well. Just ideal for making a little jig like this. So, happy building.